If you're looking to create uniquely lit decor for parties, events, or holiday decorations, make something magical with wintergreen lighting's LED Starbursts. Starbursts are exceptionally versatile because the branches are fully bendable and shapeable, so you can arrange them into a wide array of styles. Each branch is lit with brilliant LED wide-angle mini lights for maximum light and color saturation. To start, simply remove your Starburst from the box and shape the branches to your liking. Plug it in and enjoy. You can shape your Starburst into a bouquet for use in vases, sconces, or urns. Add flowers or other greenery to create truly unique decor. Shape your Starburst into a fan shape for use as a decorative chandelier, a Christmas tree topper, or for ground cover decorating. Or give them a round, ornamental shape and hang them from structures or trees to light up your night. Starbursts come in a variety of colors and sizes, ranging from 12 inches to 24 inches. The highly efficient LED 5mm lights are shatterproof and cool to the touch, so you can display Starbursts safely and worry-free. And they're rated for indoor or outdoor use. Make your Halloween spookier. Give your special event a magical touch. Make your outdoor tree displays pop. And make your entryways breathtaking. Add unique creative decor to your scenes with wintergreen lighting's LED Starbursts. Get yours today.